Background checking is critical for a wide range of positions. Let's take a look. Background information can be obtained from a variety of sources, including past job records, credit history, testing records, educational and certification records, drug tests, criminal history, sex offender lists, motor vehicle records, and military records. Failure to check the backgrounds of people who are hired can lead to embarrassment and legal liability. For jobs in certain industries, such as those that provide services to children, services to vulnerable adults, security, in-home services, and financial services, background checks are mandated in some states. Federal regulations mandate background checks for people with commercial driver's licenses and who drive tractor-trailer rigs and buses interstate. Negligent hiring occurs when an employer fails to check an employee's background and the employee later injures or harms someone while performing job duties. To reduce the probability of negligent hiring, organizations verify applicant information and conduct background screening. Many organizations use outside vendors that specialize in conducting background checks because these firms can provide such services more efficiently and effectively. Before contracting with a background screening company, it's advisable to verify the agency's reputation and licensure. Various federal and state laws protect the rights of individuals whose backgrounds may be investigated during pre-employment screening. One important step when conducting a background investigation is to obtain a signed release from the applicant authorizing the employer to conduct the investigation. Another requirement is making sure that background investigations are relevant to the jobs being performed and to business necessity. Firms that check applicants' credit records must comply with the Federal Fair Credit Reporting Act, which requires disclosing that a credit check is being conducted, obtaining written consent from the person being checked, and furnishing the applicant with a copy of the report. A background check or background investigation is the process of looking up and compiling criminal records of an individual for employment purposes.